Hi there.
Hello, everyone.
How are you? Welcome to my pilot episode of Only Campers. I'm 𝕝𝕚𝕚𝕜, and I'm really excited to share this adventure with you this summer. So I guess since I'm on YouTube now, I wanted to say, let's get started. So I stumbled across a 1972 Boler. They are Canadian-made fiberglass eggshell campers, and we're going to be restoring it together. Also start a YouTube channel. So the Boler trailer is kind of cool because there were only 10,000 of them made in Canada, and they were only manufactured between 1968 and 1988. They all kind of look the same, in my opinion. They do vary a little bit, but they look like this. Boop. The body is made entirely of fiberglass, and this is really awesome because it is completely rust-proof. They're basically indestructible, and they tend to last forever, but they do tend to have deterioration of the frame and the axle. So I haven't even actually seen in person the camper that I've purchased, but I've seen photos and I've spoken with the current owners, and I feel pretty good about making this purchase. I think it's going to need a lot of work, but let's see how much trouble we get ourselves into this year with this camper. But before we can even pick it up, what we need to do first is install a hitch on my vehicle and clear a good area for me to do all the work I'm going to be doing this summer. Now, before picking up the camper, there are two things that we need to do. And the first of which is installing a hitch. So my vehicle, as you can see, came off the lot, no hitch, but we're gonna change that today. Here she is, beauty. That's better. Now that we have the hitch sorted, it's time to prepare the perfect spot for our Boler's restoration. Now, I'm lucky enough to have a large lot of land to work with, so I'm going to be clearing out some of this area here and putting up some fence posts and fencing, and that way I can have a nice clean area to have my Boler and my dog can run around, and I don't have to worry about any kind of wildlife or whatever else there might be. It's just a nice clean area for my summer project. Oh my goodness. My arms are jelly. I need a drink of water. Okay, next thing on the list is to put up the actual fencing. But I'm doing this in a way that will allow me to take down the fence when I leave my family's property and perhaps then put it up again some other time if ever I need it, just because this is not a permanent yard. So what we're putting up is a layer of warning barrier, but it was cheap and this is temporary. And then we're also putting up on the side that we see this privacy fencing. So the two of them together I think will be good for what we need. Let's get to it. Now, I'll be honest, I have actually no idea what I'm doing, but I think it's pretty simple. It seems simple enough. So I guess let's just get started. This is not a tutorial. I can already see that these weeds on the ground are going to be a problem, so I'm going to have to weed whack them. So off with the sandals, on with some shoes, and I guess let's get that done. so that is the black part of the fence done. I have run out of fencing material, but at least we have the orange stuff. Might be ugly, but it will be on the back of the property. So this is what we've got so far. We have a little gate here. I will roll the boler in through here. So I have this on little hooks, and I can unhook it and remove it anytime I need to get in. So there's the gate. Consider this the gate. It's not pretty, but it's not meant to be pretty. It's meant to be functional, and it's meant to be temporary. Okay, I will finish off with the orange and call it a day. All right, just a little bit more to go.
I was like, what is that incredible smell? I feel like this is scented or had fabric softener around it when it was. She's gonna make the yard smell really nice for like a day. This stuff is not ideal. Are you tough?
All right, day 2. So today we are going to be securing the bottom of the fence to the earth, and that way she can be protected. But if we're being honest, it's to keep the wildlife safe from my dog. So we're going to bend it inwards and make sure she cannot get under the fence. And that way I can rest easy knowing that she will not be causing any kind of ruckus with any elk or bunnies or anything like that. Oh, it is a hot, hot day today. So I'm glad we only have a short task to do. And then we'll head to the lake. That's it. Alrighty, so here we have it. Everything is secured to the ground. I still have to make a gate. Stay in here. Come. Still have to make a gate. It's the only opening. But everything else secured down nicely. And ready for restoration. And with that, I think we need to go to the lake. Time to use the anchor for the first time. All right, we did it. We put on the hitch and we set up the stage for restoring the boulder. So we are ready to go. In a couple days, we pick it up and we begin the journey. But in the meantime, let's just enjoy the lake just a little bit.